How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to another video. I'm going to show you how to install RubberHose 2. Now, RubberHose 2 is a very efficient plugin when it comes to doing character animation inside After Effects. And it is a program that, even though it costs money, a lot of animators that uses After Effects use it together with something called Duik. Duik is another plugin that is also very efficient when it comes to doing animations of all sorts inside After Effects. But RubberHose 2 does something specific very well when it comes to character animation, which is why you might want to get your hands on it. So if you want to get RubberHose 2, you have to go to the link that I provided in the description. Go in here, click Buy Now. And once you click Buy Now, it's going to pop up with a purchase window. As you can see, it costs $45. If you live outside the US, there will be a little bit of tax included. So in my case, I paid about $54, I believe. So, it's not the exact price that you're going to be paying if you don't live in the US. Once you bought RubberHose 2, you should get a zip file. So inside my downloads folder, you can see that I have a zip file here called RubberHose 2. And I just simply right-clicked it, extracted it, and then I got this file down here. Now there's two ways you can install RubberHose 2. If you have the Adobe CC 2019 or later version of After Effects, it's very easy to just simply go into After Effects and install the plugin through After Effects. You don't really need to do a lot in there. But if you have an older version of After Effects, I can also show you how to install it using an older version. So to start with, if you have a 2019 later version of After Effects, just simply go into After Effects, go into your file, go down to scripts, which is down here. And then you can go and say installed script UI panel. Then once you go in here, you just simply go into your downloads, which is where you extracted the RubberHose 2 file. Go in here, and then you simply double click the RubberHose2.jsx bin. Once you've done that, I'm not going to do it since I have it installed already, but once you've done that, just go ahead and close down After Effects and restart it, since you do need to restart for it to take effect. You may not see it immediately inside After Effects, so you do need to go to Window, go down to the bottom, and click RubberHose2.jsx bin. And once you've clicked that one, it should appear inside one of the windows inside After Effects. So as you can see, I have it up here. It looks very simple. It is very efficient. And I love the fact that it's very simple when it comes to the UI. So this is how I can install it using After Effects built-in, later script installer, if you could call it that. Now, if you do have an older version of Adobe After Effects, which means that you have a 2018 or older, you do need to install it manually. This means that you do need to still download the zip file and unzip it. And then afterwards, you're going to go inside your installation folder of After Effects. This means that we need to go to our local disk C drive. And once you're in here, you're going to go into Program Files, Adobe. And don't get confused by the fact that my Adobe After Effects looks like a executable file. It is not. It's actually a folder. But if you do have Windows 10 installed on your computer, it may appear like it's actually an executable with the little icon over here. So don't get confused by that. Just click on it. And in here, you're going to go to Support Files. Once we're inside the Support Files folder, you're going to go down to the bottom where it says Scripts. Then you're going to go to where it says Script UI Panels. And once you're in here, you're simply going to go into your file that you downloaded, and you're going to copy paste RubberHose2.jsx bin into this folder here. And once you've done that, it should be installed inside your After Effects. And just like before, you go up to Window, go down to RubberHose2.jsx bin, and then it should appear inside one of the windows in here. And this is how you simply can install RubberHose 2 and get started doing character animation inside After Effects with RubberHose 2. So I hope you enjoyed this little video. I hope you managed to actually get it installed, because otherwise it would have been a waste of 5 minutes or how long it might have taken me to make this video. So I hope you managed to get it working, and I'll see you in the next video.